Why do human bodies have nails in their hands and feet? There are hundreds of theories why we have nails in our hands and feet. Some of them are based on the protection aspect from various other things. Others are more creative because they are based on the facts of the evolution of human bodies. Among the 20 nails, fingernails are more useful in the daily task and hence people prefer them to put in their hands. Women have long nails because they get one more portion to make art on them, now known as nail art. Basically, humans possess nails because it is a part of a body. As hair and other things grow with age, nails do. Hormones are the main reason, as like the case with hair and skin. Calcium is the main thing that is possessed by nails, which also makes them strong. Fingernails help scratch a lot of things, and toenails are useful because they protect toes from any tap. Why does the human skin release oil? The human skin is highly varying in nature, which can be fairer in color. The human skin is highly affected by the climatic change or as the surrounding changes. The human skin releases oil through oil glands, also known as pores, that consist of skin cells and tissues. Usually, the oil produced by these glands are known as sebum. The human skin becomes fond of this sebum oil due to moisture in the skin. Usually, the skin of hands and feet occupied with oils get a sticky touch because of the moisture. Sebum oil is made from various nutrients that are produced in the human body because of the food a person eats. Hence, one can comment that oil in the human skin is obtained due to moisture, and the main reason behind its creation is the eating habit, or rather the food a person eats on daily basis. As a result, skin releases oil. Why is it necessary for an infant to have mother's milk? We have often heard many people and doctors say that breastfeeding is the best for an infant. We may wonder as to why only mother's milk is given to a newborn. Well, here is a clear explanation. The chemicals in mother's milk are the best food for the baby who is a newborn. Although there are a number of formula that are supposed to replace the breast milk, yet there are no replacements which are the best. It gives immunity to the child against diseases and infections. Diarrhea and other such diseases can be avoided in infants by feeding them mother's milk. Ear infections are also avoided by breastfeeding to infants. As infants are very prone to numerous diseases and infections, they must be taken care of very carefully. Full nourishment can be given to them in the form of mother's milk only. Why is mercury used in a thermometer? You all know that a thermometer is a device used to check the temperature of the body. Such use of a thermometer is not by chance, but because of specific reasons. Firstly, it is the only element which remains liquid at room temperature. As a general rule, it also expands linearly as temperature goes high. When we use a thermometer to check temperature, it starts expanding inside a thermometer. On the basis of the amount of volume constant mercury occupies, we calculate the temperature. It expands very low in response to daily change in temperature, which is also an important factor. In short, its high coefficient of expansion is the reason behind such use. However, it is very hazardous in nature and can cause harm if a thermometer gets broken down. So in place of it, red dye with alcohol is used now in thermometers mostly.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.